Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. Imagine receiving commission notices like this virtually hourly while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with family and friends. Stop what you're doing right now and pay special attention to the $800 in commission that has just flooded into your accounts, bringing your total earnings to almost $4,000. As per usual, I'll guide you through each step. We'll be using this website, Unbounce.com, to make money online, so first I want you to go there. I want to start by showing you something that is really fascinating. This is merely a ballpark calculation of your potential earnings. $400, $800, and even $1,800 are visible. I'll teach you how to rapidly and easily quadruple your money if you keep watching. Customers can develop numerous landing pages and websites using Unbounce's platform. So that you can create excellent landing pages and various websites, let me quickly explain Unbounce and how it functions. Let me now show you a few examples of websites that Unbounce can create. Here, you may find a variety of website categories, along with a ton of samples. This one serves as an example of a landing page and website that Unbounce lets you develop. Don't worry, we won't be building any websites, and you won't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. All I want to do is show how successful this tool is at allowing people to create beautiful websites like this one right here. I want to show how we can make a lot of money using the Unbounce Partner Program, after I describe how Unbounce operates. Visit Unbounce.com's homepage, scroll to the bottom, and then click the Partner Program link in the Company section to get started. By doing so, you will be directed to the website where it states, earn 20 recurring revenue for every referral. Since Unbounce consistently pays you in recurring commission every single month, I really like them. Once the system is in place, you can continue to make recurring payments each month. Let me now go over each of Unbounce's 4 pricing tiers in detail. Again, you are not obliged to purchase anything or Unbounce in order to use this strategy. However, as part of this strategy, we will spread the word about and advertise Unbounce. Again, I'll demonstrate to you how to accomplish it totally automatically. For a bonus that will let you make 5 to 10 times as much money, make sure to watch all the way to the conclusion. Here, you can first see monthly revenue levels of $100, $150, $200, and even $400. If you advertise these bundles there, some customers may decide to buy on an annual basis, which would entail paying for the entire package. The highest pay package, as shown below, is for $400 per month. Let me show you how much money you may make on this particular website. $400 becomes $4,800 if we multiply it by a year. From there, we can produce 25% of the commission, which entitles us to $960 from a single consumer. To market and recommend Unbounce to others, all we need to do is employ an extremely simple, cost-free, and automatic method. To sign up for the Unbounce Partner Program, first click the blue Sign Up button. A chatbot will thereafter, as you can see, appear at the bottom of the page. You must respond to a few questions in order to properly sign up for a free account. You may see here to get started, ready to join the Unbounce Partner Program. Simply select, Let's do this. Then, answer the subsequent inquiries. Please click this button to sign in after you are done. You will be directed to your new account's dashboard after your account has been properly created. Accepting the terms of service here is the first step in getting your unique referral link. Simply choose the box and press the Confirm button to achieve this. This is the free registration process for the Unbounce Partner Program. You can view your current click-through and referral rates as well as your earnings to date on the summary page. Since this is a brand new account, you can see that you have earned nothing. However, by following this precise method, you can quickly begin to earn a sizable commission. You can find your unique referral link by clicking Links there, followed by Dismiss. All you have to do is click this Copy button to get your URL as we continue. I want you to go to Quora.com and create a free account there with either Google or Facebook. Once you've successfully registered an account, you may then instantly begin asking or responding to questions on Quora. Many people use Quora, which operates much like a forum, to upload different images and videos, ask questions, and give responses. Here, you can obtain a significant amount of free, highly focused visitors. In the search box at the top of the website, type, How to construct a landing page. From there, by clicking on this question, you will be taken to this website where you can find a number of questions that people are posing. Simply click the Answer button here to bring up a box where you may enter your answer and your unique referral link, then press the Submit button. That is a fairly clever tactic, and if you want to continue making more money, Just keep looking up new topics and responding to questions on Quora while putting your referral link in the comments to get lots of free traffic. And that's it. See you in the next video.